How you doing? Joe Pannone here. I really want to thank you for your interest in CWDash, completing the survey and getting the application. I know you're ConnectWise OnPrem, so it shouldn't be very difficult. Sometimes you have to set up a SQL account to have CWDash get access to it. CWDash get access to it. Remember, it only makes read-only calls. So if you want to set up a new SQL account, you can make it read-only. It never writes, it never edits, it never inserts. It's making read-only calls to your ConnectWise SQL database. It doesn't have a local database at all. It's not getting your data and putting it in the cloud or anything. But get that installed. I'll go to the CWDash/setup page, which is right here. There's a quick video that shows you how to do it. If you have any problems at all, support at CWDash, sales at CWDash, let us know. Once you get it installed, contact us, please. I'll personally, I'll walk you through it. I'd love to spend at least a half hour with you, or you yourself and your team with CWDash to see how it can really help your organization. Again, I'm really excited about this, and thanks again for your interest. I know you're going to love it, and it's going to be great for you and your organization. Thanks. Thanks again. Have a great day.